Academy, and in this video we will be talking about labor variance. Now remember that labor variance consists of two parts: labor efficiency variance and labor rate variance. Now what is labor variance? Simply put, labor variance arises when the actual cost associated with a labor activity varies from the expected cost. For example, you projected that in order to produce 1 unit of finished good, labor cost will be $10. But when you actually produced that 1 unit, the labor cost went up from $10 to $15. Now that difference of $5 is called labor variance. But that variance of $5 is because of two factors. That is labor efficiency variance and labor rate variance. Now, labor efficiency variance is when labor had to work more hours to produce a unit of output than what was projected. For example, if we projected that in order to produce 1 unit of output or 1 unit of finished good, labor will have to work 10 hours. But in actual, they worked 15 hours to produce that output, then it means that our labor efficiency variance was adverse, because they had to work 15 extra hours to produce that unit of output. The second component of labor variance is labor rate variance. Now, rate variance, as the name suggests, is the difference in the actual and forecasted labor cost because of the wage rate or the labor rate per hour that you had to pay to the labor. For example, if you projected that in order to produce 1 unit of output, you will have to pay wage rate of $1 per hour. But in actual, when inflation increased, then and you had to pay labor $1.5 per hour, this means that wage rate increased or labor rate increased and you had to pay more to the labor. That is, your labor cost increased because of the wage rate. It increased from $1 to $1.5. So remember that labor variance, that is the increase in the labor cost which you had to incur, can be because of two reasons. One is that labor worked more efficiently or less efficiently. That is, it consumed labor consumed more hours or less hours to produce a particular unit, or it could be because of the wage rates, that is labor rate variance, that is labor became expensive or cheaper. Both of these components affect overall labor variance. That is overall labor variance, that is whether when it increased from $10 to $15 is because of two factors. One is efficiency and the other is rate. I hope this was useful for you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, and of course you can check the various playlists in my channel where you will find different videos on different topics. Thank you.